does one get in the mood for autumn and fall? Well, for me, coming outside and listening and watching the trees begin to change and transition into this beautiful coat of many colors is a good start. In this episode, we decorate and we create crafts that will hopefully inspire you and get you in the mood for the beautiful season ahead. I hope you enjoy the recipes that I share with you. I'm actually going to be making a wonderful and delicious peach. Yes, I said peach. Bread pudding, which is very comforting for the soul. And I chose this recipe because peaches, I didn't even think were a thing in the fall or near the fall. I thought it was totally a summer fruit. But here in New England, peaches are harvested in the latter part of summer, where it gets into that transitional period. So I wanted to come up with something yummy where I could use the peaches and mix in some cinnamon and other fall ingredients to warm my belly. And I hope it will do yours as well. The recipe will be shared with you in the description underneath the video episode. So if you're looking for a very good bread pudding recipe, that's the place for you. And also a really fun, cute pumpkin cinnamon roll. Very quick and easy and yummy. I had so much fun coming up with fall crafts, and I will try to sprinkle them in throughout different episodes. Please enjoy. And I wanted to give a big shout out for all of my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you and welcome to Aloha Anywhere All at Once. My goal, as usual, is to hopefully inspire you to not only feel the aloha spirit of warmth, hospitality, and welcomeness, and a feeling of welcomeness and belonging wherever you are and wherever you go. Get out in nature, embrace the beauty around you in your world through exploring and seeing all the many different opportunities there are to learn, staying curious about not only yourself, your community, and the world around you, and seeking these wonderful things daily, and the best part, sharing them. I hope you enjoy this episode. Happy almost fall.
I got no enemies, I just do what I please. see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sight. All that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together. I can be like the tree in the wind, same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Easy, baby. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. We can be like the trees in the wind, same old roots, but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. We can be like the trees in the wind, same old roots, but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Till the end. We can live here. We can die. There's nothing to fear if you try. If you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky, I'll tend to your needs. We can live here. We can die. We can live here. We can die. Oh, oh, so bright and awake. My heart